We're here at Crocodile Farm and Nature Park with the vloggers. Wait.
Ano ba? Ano ba meron dito, crocodiles? Higa!
Hindi, walang crocodiles dito.
Saan tayo punta?
Ang ngipin na to. Itong ngipin ng crocodiles. Magkano to, te? 5,000 pesos. Nice. 45 lang po to? Wow!
Ito mo,
Right, ito po.
Ay, ito.
Mura, bibili ako.
Ito nga eh. Bili mo.
500 to sa Manila.
Kahapon.
When you go to Palawan or anywhere else for that matter, you must not forget one. And that's the... Honeybird ka ba?
Okay, so ngayon we have more than 5,000 crocodiles. Ayan, so yung 3,000 sa breeding area, yung mga breeders, hindi mo for attraction. And another, kung gusto niyo pupuntahan yung park, since Freegan and Miko, it's self-guided.
Huli?
So namatay lang siya dahil sa stress.
Kasi hindi ko in-reflex tapos eh.
Na-recover last 1999 from northern part of Palawan. That is only the size of the juvenile. Bata pa po yun nasa harap niyo.
Hi guys, dito tayo ngayon sa hatchling room.
Baby ba to?
Yes, medyo camera shy siya.
Wow! Ang laki! Welcome to Nature Park, a haven for wildlife and nature enthusiasts. Do not buy any pet species caught from the wild because, well, they're wild. We're going to take pictures with the crocodiles.
Yo, man. This is a big croc. Panglakos to. Gagawin kitang boots.
Ayoko na.
Stress.
Hi guys, this is Koy and this is Crocky. Hi Crocky.
Sino ba nagpangalan sa kanyang Crocky? Para malalaman na pangalan niya yun.
Tanggera, may nagme-mate dito. Wow! Ang ganda ng view! Yes! This is my ranch to be. This is my future.
Music!
Miss Minchin?
Hindi, ako si Princess Sarah.
Sarah.
Yes.
Okay.
Wala na ayoko na kumanta.
We're here at Palawan Baker's Hill, where we bake Hokkien Munggo. Hindi ka, pupunta yung Hokkien. Pwede ka magtambol.
Go.
Walang ginagawa dito, te. I mean, placemats.
Placemats, table runners, bugs, slippers, wallet.
Okay.
Welcome to the heart of Puerto Princesa.
Tibok, tibok, tibok.
Sobrang sarap ng pagkain. Nice. What do you guys think about the food?
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Fabulous.
Ay, masarap. Masarap. napaka naman yung sagot na yun. Napaka-subis. Ang sarap.
Night shopping. 24 hours. What's that? Well, that's yours? Pinoy or
Tabloid.
Wow.
Pinoy Paransi.